good evening to everyone. I just received this package from the Flipkart, which is Nokia 105 single SIM keyboard mobile. Okay, this is the keyboard mobile with wireless FM radio, and the color is exact this one. So we'll try to unbox this and then check how is this phone and what is the pin given for the charging. Okay, yeah, what are the box contents of this phone? Let us check. If you can see, for the safety, with the air bubbles package they packed. Okay, yeah, I need to take this out also. Yeah, this is the box what they provided. Let me read this. Wireless FM radio, no headset required, up to 12 hours 22 days talk time. Okay, 22 days standby. Okay, 12 hours is the talking time, and 1.8 display, LED torch, games, micro USB charging, storage for 2000 contacts and 500 SMS. Let us take this. Yeah, the color is the exact color what they provided. Maybe this is the cover. I need to take this out, this outer cover. Maybe I can remove this, I guess. Yeah, there's a water bubble sort of thing, and this is pretty lightweight. Okay, maybe the battery is included outside. Okay, yeah, I need to insert this battery. And many people are asking about to show the charging cable. Okay, charging cable pin. Okay, micro USB. Yeah, see here, micro USB port, and yeah, this is the port. Okay, this is the headphone jack, I guess. Yes, the look is pretty good. Maybe I'll be try to insert this battery and I'll check. Yeah, I'll just try to insert the battery. This is the SIM tray, I guess. SIM tray is inside the battery here. Dual SIM. On the Flipkart it is mentioned single SIM, but here, see here, it is mentioned single SIM, but there are two slim shots actually. I need to practically test both of them, and for the first time I just switched on this mobile. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Yeah, English, touch feedback is there, what we call a haptic feedback sort of thing. This vibration, I need to keep the settings, I need to adjust the settings. Yeah, maybe torch, I need to keep the shortcuts also. Check. Yeah, torch is working fine. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.